Ready to supercharge your business with the power of video? Today, I'm diving into Kartra's video marketing tools, the ultimate solution for growing your impact and income. Kartra is the only video marketing platform you need. Whether you're hosting explainer videos, clips, messages, or even whiteboard recordings, Kartra lets you create a diverse video collection effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the key features that make Kartra a game changer. First up, you can embed videos directly into your web pages or have them pop up in a window with just a click. It's as simple as ticking a box. Watermark branding is another stellar feature. Your videos are your intellectual property, so make your mark by branding them with your own logo. Dynamic viewer interactions? Kartra's got you covered. From personalized tags to targeted playlists, you can turn your videos into a two-way conversation. With user tagging, you can categorize viewers as prospects, leads, or loyal customers. Understand your audience better and tailor your marketing strategies. Playlists and autoplay allow seamless transitions between videos. Perfect for courses and training programs. Plus, you can upload subtitles for closed captions, making your content accessible to everyone. Customizable look and feel? Absolutely. Personalize your video player with fonts and templates to match your site's professional branding. Kartra gives you total control. Choose autoplay, mute, custom thumbnails, and optimize for social media marketing campaigns. And yes, Kartra hosts any type of video. Tutorials, animations, screen recordings, you name it. Gain complete data insights to understand viewer behavior, such as watch and dropout patterns in real time. Review the performance of your call to action buttons and see how they're performing. Knowing your audience has never been this insightful. Optimize SEO parameters on your video pages, making it easier for search engines to index and rank your content. Kartra's CRM integration helps you manage video marketing campaigns effectively. Reach your audience on platforms like LinkedIn for bigger impact and tag leads based on their interactions. Create landing pages optimized for video marketing with Kartra. Check out the template gallery with over 20 ready-to-use video sales pages. Just add your content and share. And that's not all. Kartra offers landing pages, online courses, membership sites, webinars, form builders, email marketing, checkouts, affiliate management, lead management, surveys, quizzes, funnel mapping, calendars, help desks, and real-time funnel analytics. Ready to elevate your video marketing game? Hit the link below to get started.